Hello traders and welcome to another episode of Market Snapshot. Today is the 5th of August 2024. There is a lot happening today, so let me walk you through the key things that are happening this week. I'm sure you've seen this one all over the TV, but the global equity markets have sharply declined as the fears for the US recession and disappointing tech earnings weigh heavily. The S&P 500 has dropped nearly 6% from its July peak, and the Nasdaq has entered its first 10% correction since early 2022. The sell-off has extended to Europe and Asia, with Japan's Nikkei close to 12.5%. With this sell-off in the market, investors are faced with the dilemma to buy stock at reduced prices or prepare for further declines due to worsening economic outlook and high valuations. Despite the recent market losses, some view the drop as an opportunity, noting the S&P 500 12% year-to-date gain and the ongoing resilience of major tech firms like Apple and Meta platforms. On the other hand, oil prices have reached 8 months low as concerns about US recession have overshadowed the fears of disrupted supplies from the Middle East. Brent crude futures edged down to $76.77 a barrel. US West Texas crude stood at $73.39. Despite escalating tensions in Gaza and broader region, oil prices fell more than 3% last week due to recession fears and OPEC's plan to phase out voluntary production cuts. I've got the Nikkei index up on the screen, the Japanese 225 on the daily. And as I mentioned earlier, there's been a decline across most markets, including Bitcoin, which is suffering the most at this stage, the cryptocurrencies. And if we look at the index, the sell-off actually started last week around Wednesday, particularly when the US non-farm payroll figures came lower than expected and the unemployment went up, raising fears of potential recession and causing a panic sell-off in the market. And during these uncertainties in the markets, a lot of traders tend to move into more safe haven assets such as the Japanese yen, which appreciated today. So the US dollar dropped 3% against the yen, and that's it's currently sitting at January levels. My outlook on the market is that the market could further decline if tensions arise in the Middle East. We know that the G7 is preparing for a potential retaliation in Iran, which could further de-escalate the markets. If you do like our content, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. This will help us grow and provide you with better content. Until next week, happy trading. Thank you.